Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I don't know about you, but my family is constantly going through plastic containers for leftovers. They easily get really grungy or they lose all of their lids and everything is mismatched. Well, this really awesome organized set from GEIKR is a huge problem solver when it comes to all of your plastic storage container issues. This is a 40-piece set, so it comes with 20 different bowls with very different sizes, and it comes with 20 coordinating lids. What I really love is these lids are the most sturdy that I think that I've ever used. They have the plastic inside that really seals them well, so nothing will spill out of these containers, but they lock in place super easily. So I don't have to worry about giving something to my husband for lunch. The food is not going to spill. Also, when I place it even just in my refrigerator, I don't have to worry that it's going to spill in there either, but rather it stays fresh and nice and secure. These are also microwave and freezer safe, and I was actually really impressed because I froze something, and when I went to open my freezer door, I dropped the bowl on the floor. Normally that would have cracked instantly, but these did not. So they really are a really nice high-end storage container that you can use. So it's nice and organized in the cabinet, nice and organized in the fridge or in my lunch storage bag, and the food is nice and organized because it doesn't spill out thanks to these super secure, really nice bowls. And that's my point of view.